In this video, I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not showing available devices, Bluetooth not finding devices, or Bluetooth not pairing problem on Android phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. Go to the settings of your phone. Scroll down and find out apps. Tap on it. Tap here. Show system apps. Turn on it. Tap OK. Now search for Bluetooth. Open it. Tap storage, tap clear cache, tap clear data. Once it is completed, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, I hope your problem will be fixed. If your problem still remains, then go ahead with the next method. Method number 2. Open settings once again. Search for reset. Tap Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Tap on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now tap on Reset settings. After completing the process, move back from here. Now open the Bluetooth option on your mobile and connect it to the desired device. Put the device you want to connect to in connection mode according to its pairing method. I hope your problem will be fixed. That's it. Thanks for watching.